It's such a mind because you don't know. You don't know. There's no way to know, really. They're like viruses, right? It's like a virus. They grow and adapt and change. It's all kind of like hearsay and grasping at straws. Grab these little scraps of information and try to like puzzle it together like a mystery solving thing with like, again, all hearsay. Like nothing is confirmed. Nothing is true. This is all just I might look into starting to like buy something secondhand. Hello. Hermès. 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 Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, an Hermès. But maybe an Hermès. How you doing? An Hermès hater? No, that's not the right word. Hermès has been? I don't know. Today we're going to be talking about, I'm just doing a quick my Hermès journey update, working for my Birkin update on where I think I am and where I'm going to the store and where I think I am. Before I go. So if that's something you're interested, real quick update. If that's something you're interested in, please click around, please smash the like button, please consider subscribing, keep on watching. Okay, so a few things. One, there's been nothing to update. I haven't bought anything and I haven't gotten anything. So since I got, since my last visit to the store and also my last online madness, craziness, which with online craziness when I got, where I went a little crazy. Got me these puppies. My precious. But also, I'm in the store, haven't been to France, haven't been, none of those things. So I'm gonna recap where I'm at for those of you that don't know, and then why I'm waiting. And I know a couple people have also asked me questions about why I haven't gotten a bag, so I'll just address those a little bit too. I think in my thoughts, again, who knows? I don't know. Nobody knows. Secret mystery. And that's from it. All we can do is like grab these little scraps of information and try to like puzzle it together like a mystery solving thing with like connecting the dots and drawing the red tape lines, threads, and finding whatever. So I'm only speculating based on what I know of my things and what I've seen from other people and what I can, deduce or whatever, interpret or, assume all these fun words. So, and also, I'm going into the store, and so I want to know. So I'm going to go in the store and see, see where I'm at. Obviously, I made an appointment to just shop with my friend, ever so subtly hinting and blah, blah, blah. You gotta be subtle about it. You can't just be outright, Yeah. Also, I have an hermes.com video that I need to do about the whole process I'm gonna do soon. So stay tuned for that. New hermes.com video. Also, an Hermès. I'm gonna do a little cutesy video of other ways to wear Hermès bags that I think are fun that I've been doing, especially with these and this combo and combos. And also a Chypre video, a review of my Chypre clothes, another video about Hermès in Paris, a more succinct, detailed points about Hermès shopping in Paris and the new Hermès game, and a new succinct video about Hermès, and how you can and basically back world of Hermès. And then also, I might look into starting to buy something secondhand. And that whole journey and starting that, I have no idea. There's so many factors, and I'm very, very, it's gives me stress and anxiety already just thinking about it, that I'm gonna do that, and needing to know how to authenticate and things like that, and blah, 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 and where to go, and blah, 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 and yada, yada, and what happens if it isn't, Because there are a lot of fakes. A, there are a lot of fakes. B, they're getting better and better and better and better and better. And the more people talk about them, the more people talk about or the more people show bags and talk about bags and what makes it real, then obviously the more the fakes can become, they learn and adapt. And they're like viruses, right? It's like a virus. They grow and adapt and change, become better and better. So as Hermès tries to make it harder to duplicate or whatever, replica, the replicas adapt, and then because it's and there's all these videos of women in New York, and there's these things with women in New York that buy replicas and have a party, and I'll do a whole video replica thing, but have a party basically, trying to figure out who could find the best replica. I don't know if you guys saw that article, the women in New York just try to have replica parties and see who could. It's like a rush and a high on who can find the best replica and be look at what I got for it. It's not about the price or whatever. It's partly about the price, but whatever. But if these women are doing it, who am I to not do it? No, just kidding. Don't buy replicas, right? Because those are made by slaves They're made by like, they're not made ethically or whatever, or with like trafficked children or whatever. They're like made, so don't buy fakes. If you get one handmade by someone you know as a replica, that's a leather person, I think that's a different thing. But don't buy a fake from random places, I think. Also, still don't buy a fake. I don't know, whatever. That's to each their own. I don't even know if I have opinion on this anymore. I'm so... Anyway, okay. So back to Hermès trading. Back to me. So I'm going in, like I said, okay, so quick recap. France in January, didn't get a bag in November, got other things, but was kind of on some sort of like, I had a note on my account. I asked to get it removed. I haven't actually followed up, so I need to follow up and see before I go next if that note is still there or if I have any chance there. I have more spend in other categories than in leather in France. So, you know, my ratio's not that great though. It's not very high, and like people talk about the ratios and stuff like that. Still don't know what the exact thing is or what the formula is, but I haven't spent that much there. Maybe $4,000 or $5,000 in France, none in leather. US, $30K in the past year or two in store, and then obviously I went a little crazy online and bought 4 of this bag. So that was like another 49 something each. So 9,300 each, 8,500 plus tax. So 9,300 each. So that's 37.2. Wow. Yeah, 37.2. So 37.2 in online plus whatever else I have online plus like 30. So it's like 68. Let's say 70. So I'm going in with that. Still haven't gotten an offer bag. I feel like it's on the precipice. My birthday's coming up. I'm hoping I can get it by my birthday. I had wanted to get it before my birthday last year, and I felt like it was happening, and then it fizzled and didn't. And then I wanted to get it by my sister's like ceremony this year. That didn't happen either. So now hopefully I will get it by my birthday, which is coming up soon next week. So I'm gonna go in and just, I don't know, kind of like politely play the game and ask, and we'll see what happens. Haven't bought anything though. Like I said, I did not want to buy anything until I get my bag. So I have not bought a single thing since my impulse shopping, waiting to get a bag. I made the appointment for Andrew. Andrew's gonna shop a little bit, so I'm not, but I'm gonna go and just chat. I mean, if there's something I want, maybe I will, but I really am gonna try to hold steadfast and not get anything until I'm getting my bag. I spent a lot. I mean, like, whatever, compared to other people's profiles, maybe not, and compared to some people's profiles, a lot. I spent a lot for me. It's a lot of money, and I'm like, I want my bag, so hopefully I get it. Hermes gods, please give me my bag. Please. I don't know how it's working out. I mean, they keep saying they don't have bags and there's leather shortage and things like that, but then they're also opening up new boutiques, or they're opening up new factories, so maybe they'll start getting more bags in the second half of the year, so maybe, I don't know. Also, like, you know, my wish list has been there for almost 2 years. No, a year and a half, over a year and a half. A year and 9 months, so almost 2 years for one, and then a year and 3 months for the other. So I'm just like hoping that there is some sort of system and like timing wise, like, okay, he's been waiting for this long, profile looks good, please. But I don't know, we're gonna see what happens. It's all just like, the whole thing is just like, it's such a bind because you don't know, there's no way to know really. It's all kind of like hearsay and grasping at straws, and they keep changing. So like, it very much is frustrating. As much as you want and as much as you love and as much as you do, it's like also just as much as like torture in the best way and the worst way. I don't know. I haven't thought about it a lot. I've kind of just like I said, manifest it and let it go and not think about it, because if I think about it every day, it's going to really upset me and make me sad. So I'm not thinking about it, or just frustrate me or consume me, right? I'm not thinking about it. I just manifested it, let it, put it out there, and I'm going to go in and see, maybe we'll see. So I haven't bought anything online. I haven't bought anything in person in the past couple months, but that's kind of where my spend is. I think your spend resets every 2 years, so, or it either resets or it like kind of like filters out. So my 2-year mark for when I started kind of heavily spending will be August of this year. So hopefully I get it before then. Otherwise, I'm gonna start losing things. That's what I think. That's what I mean. That's what I've heard. Again, all hearsay. Like, nothing is confirmed. Nothing is true. This is all just my opinion and kind of assumption and deduction, whatever. It's my kind of thoughts based on what I hear from other people and what I've seen and things like that. Kind of just amalgamating all these different info into what I think. So if you know something different, please leave me in the comments below. If you have any more info, please leave me in the comments below. If you know anything, please let me know. I'm so confused and excited and worried and just trying to, I'm just a little boy in this world trying to figure it out for myself. Okay, so that's where I'm at. I'm going in. I'm excited, nervous. We'll see what happens. Birthday coming up. Like I said, haven't spent. Yeah, and I don't want to until I get. what I want. And I think my wish list is kind of specific, so it has been a little hard to get, but I can't think it's that hard. I mean, literally every day, left and right, I'm seeing on my Instagram and TikTok and other things, people getting bags. So either all those people are lying, which they could be, or they're borrowing, or they're buying resale or fakes or whatever. Maybe I should send them all to the Birkin Slayer and see what's actually real. It just feels a little, I don't know. So we'll see. A Birkin Slayer also, you guys should check out. It's this person that basically just tells you if a bag is fake or not. I wonder if I can just send a bag to them for authentication and see when I start looking at those. Maybe I will. Okay, that's all I got for this video. I think if I have more, I will leave pets. But let me know what you guys think. And also, like, if you've gotten a video in a bag or something like that like, recently, yay for you. Congratulations. I love it. I'm very excited for you. There's no shade or anything like that. Please tell me that. Please let me know. Please let us know. And how you got it, if you want to share that information. If not, no worries. I'm still on my journey, working from Werkin, and hopefully one day I'll get it. That's all. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.